Hey everyone, how you guys doing? Today we are going to put on the Align Tactical Thumb Rest on a Gen 3 compact Glock, the G19 basically. So they have different versions. So for this one I had to get the compact Gen 4/Gen 3/4 model. So here we go. It's pretty simple. Make sure your gun is empty, no magazine in it, and no round in it, of course. All we're going to do is remove this trigger pin. Slide it out and put this one in there. It's fairly simple. Do it right here. I'm just going to put that punch on there and kind of press through with it a little bit. As you can see right there, it's coming out. So from the left to the right, I'm going to put in the new one. Just put it right in the same hole. And then we are going to press it through. And then I can remove this one from the right. And there it is. That simple. There's the gas pedal. And if you notice, there's a little slot under your takedown. That's where this front lug, there you go, is going to go into. You'll just line it up with that. Push it right in there. There you go. They just push in. This one's a brand new gun for my daughter, so it's a little harder. And there you go. It's in there. There we go. There you can see it. Make sure everything works. Everything works. And you're right back to it. That thumb rest gives you either a, recoil control or a reference point for your thumb for your grip, depending on how you do it. I really like these things. Use the takedown lever. So to clean my gun, that's pretty simple. Go to the other side with your punch. And you will knock it out just a tad bit. I gotta go a little bit more. Just until, oops, not quite that far. There you go. And then I can rotate it down and I can use the takedown lever. This is not a gun I use a lot, and just push it right back in. Again, make sure everything works. There you go. It's that simple. That is the Align Tactical Thumb Rest. If you have any questions, post them below. I will put the link where I got this one. And then you can decide which one you want if you want one.